press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Ladies and gentlemen, the eternal stud. If Hollywood has Superman, Spider-Man, Batman, then we have the one and only Bahubali man called Prabhas man. So welcome to the show, Prabhas.
Thank you.
And along with him, the one and only beautiful, gorgeous, a crush of a lot of friends of mine, Shraddha Kapoor.
Oh, sweet.
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you for being in the show. So the first thing that I would like to ask you, sir, Bahubali, huge film. उसके बाद Bollywood में अब जब आ रहे हो, your choice whether you want to ask, answer in English or Hindi. Huge film coming like this in Bollywood. What do you have to say about that?
Yeah, it's very important. Like they like it after Bahubali, the audience, and this is our first combination, and the budget and try to give a grandeur and the screenplay film. So it's the first combination, and hope they like it.
Absolutely, they like it. And you're on a roll. I mean, this one, then you have Chichode coming up. You're preparing for Street Dancer 3. So I think time has been really going wonderful for you. So how do you look at this phase?
I look at this phase as a very exhausting, hectic phase, but
you must be enjoying this.
I enjoy it also. But it's been a year of a lot of hard work. I would say, but it feels great to be a part of such amazing films, and now Saho's releasing, so it's my Telugu debut.
Yeah.
It's a multilingual film. I get to be paired with him, with Prabhas, and do a film which is India's biggest action thriller. So yes, a lot of feelings right now.
So we'll do a quick segment with you, sir. It's a rapid fire. We'll have normal questions, you just need to answer randomly and fatafat, theek hai, sir? So the first question is, if you woke up as the following stars in the morning, what would you do? If you woke up as Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan. I would enjoy fans around everywhere around the world. Yeah.
It's a little quirky. Alia Bhatt.
Oh, Ali Bhatt. Yeah. I feel proud that I'm a great performer.
Sonakshi Sinha, sir.
Yeah, tall and interesting.
Yeah.
I have got beautiful songs and films. Yeah.
Shakti Kapoor. What do you have to say about it?
Yeah, I'll be one of the super entertainer and big villain. So it's very interesting.
And happy to have a daughter like Shraddha.
Oh, that way I didn't think.
Rajkumar Rao, sir.
Rajkumar Rao, what a performer. I feel proud I need to
Call her.
follow them. So
And
stars what I am.
the last one, sir. Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir, oh God, he's like super. I love him. So I think, yeah. I have it, man.
Enjoying all the female attention.
No.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Don't take things.
So Shraddha will do this one. It's called Let's Keep It Weird. So the first question is, and you have to answer fatafat. Take it. That's like the deal. When was the last time you screamed at the top of your lungs?
Last time I screamed at the top of my lungs must have been on set only.
Which set?
It was during dubbing for for one of the lines I had to scream, say something.
Okay. So what would be your dream bathroom?
Wow! My dream bathroom.
Yeah.
There would have to be a really big tub in it.
Just one is enough?
One big tub,
cool.
like a big tub with lots of bath salts and a nice white, bright bathroom with a nice view.
Superb. What's the weirdest conversation that you have overheard and you're like, yaar, kyun sun liya?
No, actually, I don't hear weird conversations. I have weird conversations with like my team We are constantly talking about something that makes absolutely no sense to anybody.
Yeah. And what's probably the strangest gift that you have ever received?
Strangest gift that I have ever received. I have not received any strange.
No
gift.
strange gifts.
No.
Fantastic.
No. That's
Cool.
good, I think.
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of people receive strange gifts. What is the worst thing a person can do that isn't illegal? Is not illegal?
Oh,
That's the
worst
deal.
thing that a person can do that is not illegal is be something that they are not themselves.
And the last one, have you ever been jealous of any of your close friends? For anything?
Yes,
What is that thing?
I'm very jealous of. While growing up, I used to be very jealous of my friends because they used to have. I actually have a thing for food.
Okay.
So in my friends' houses,
Yeah.
they used to make chutneys and everything from scratch.
Okay.
Chutneys from scratch, and most of my Gujarati friends.
yeah.
So I used to be like, wow, like they're making all these chutneys
Yeah.
and they make all these achars and they make all. So I used to be very jealous of that.
Interesting. So that's an interesting conversation that we had
My
with
mouth is watering.
Shraddha and Pravas. So all the best to you both for this film, and I hope that all your future endeavors work and they just get bigger and bigger. Thank you so much, sir.
Hi, this is Pravas.
Hi, this is Shraddha.
You're watching us on
IWMBuzz.com.